from Crystal Clear ESL here. I'm so excited to tell you that I've just launched my Level 3 step-by-step curriculum at Crystal Clear ESL. This includes the first 48 step-by-step lessons that are all A1 proficiency. And what better time to have a sneak peek at just one of the lessons available for you to deliver over your favorite virtual classroom platform. Come along and have a look.
So here we are at Level 3, Unit 6, Lesson 4, which puts this lesson roughly halfway in the middle of Level 3. The theme for this unit is animal bodies and animal movements. So there are a lot of associated action words and vocabulary to do with animals that's quite fun. I build in many opportunities for conversation so that your students can use the language in real contexts, as well as grammar points. So this lesson obviously concentrates on plurals ending in VES and carries on from there to discuss telling time, for example. They will have spent the previous several lessons learning to tell time by the hour, and by this point in the unit should be able to do that almost entirely independently. So there's lots of revision built in to each unit, as well as games and activities. I include a reader in each unit, and this particular reader highlights long and short vowel sounds. So we do lots of activities where they draw out different types of words, listen to them, practice writing them, and so forth. That really hones their reading fluency and listening skills. There's always a blank slide in each lesson, so the teacher can do what they like with that, and this review material at the end as well. So there you have it. Thanks for joining me on this sneak peek of a Level 3 lesson that's A1 proficiency with Crystal Clear ESL. Don't forget, this lesson and all the others contain at least 25 engaging slides for you to deliver as you see fit over your favorite virtual classroom platform. Be sure to visit www.esl-curriculum.com for more information, to subscribe, or to get in touch with me with your questions. I can't wait to see you there. Thanks!